Welcome back to Muddy Math, where we take middle school math concepts that are a little muddy and clear them up. During the 28 Days to Phi journey, I'd like to show you how I was able to carve out a space, not only a time, but also space for me to learn and be a facilitator to your learning journey. So, in order for me to be successful, I need my yoga mat. I did yoga every single day. It really helped me ground down and relax and get my body in a place where it was ready to learn and take on new things. Okay, I have this giant whiteboard that I love. I have table space over here, arts and crafts. I have my dog, Canella. And then in the corner over here, I have a salt lamp, an essential oil diffuser, and Ivy. Ivy's really good at producing clean air for you. So many lights, right? This is a big giant light, and then I have these floodlights, okay, for lighting for my videos. I made a stand-up desk with side tables for the edges of my couch, and I put them on our coffee table, and that made 2 stand-up desks for me. And then I have an acupressure mat that I can stand on when I'm working so that I can continue to cultivate a healthy body in order for me to have a healthy mind. The ever important classic Post-it note and pen. So these are just some things that I use to be successful in my learning journey on the 28 Days to Phi.
I need to be in a space where I can focus. I need to sort of be free of distraction. I need a space. I need to learn well. I need to, be free of distraction. I need to be, I need to be well fed. I need to be, one of the best things about the school closure for me is that I have adjusted my sleep schedule to my natural sleep schedule. And I find that I stay up till like 12:30 at night, and I wake up at between 8 and 9 in the morning, and I'm well rested. I've been doing yoga, which has calmed me down. I've been exercising every day, and I sort of have my own schedule. And whereas at school, I was getting up at 5 in the morning, and it's too early for me. And I don't know. I was just so tired all the time, and now I'm less tired. It's like I don't have such strict. Everything sounds so strict. I can kind of do it on my own path. And what I also need is to know that like what I'm learning is important. Is relevant. And it's going to be useful for me in the future. And it's really interesting because this year we've talked about it a lot with the grant. And what makes learning important for students, and how do students learn better. And I learn better when I know it's something that I'm going to use or I'm going to need in the future.
Yes.
It's important to me. So that makes a lot of sense. Like kids are like, why are we doing this math? Or why are we doing this? Or why are we doing that? I learn better when I know that it's something that is important to me.
It's important to you. So you said that, I love that earlier you said, I need to be well fed, and then you immediately began speaking about sleep. So you're like feeding your mind sleep.
Yeah.
And that you don't have to wake up with an alarm anymore, do you? Or do you still use an alarm? No alarm.
No, I don't. My hours, my school office hours, I made from 11 until 1.
Right.
Because I knew that I wanted to sleep in a little bit more. And I also knew that students, like our 7th grade, and I have 6th grade students as well, I know that they don't get up early. They don't get up early. They don't like getting up early. And I knew that later hours would be better for me. And like when I was going to have class, I knew that they would be better for them too. So.
Love hearing from you in terms of what your needs for learning are, because I think that I share those needs with you.